I welcome you all to the next session of Advanced Accounting. In this session, we will be solving different problem, that is problem number 6 of page number 4.46 of your textbook. Let's start with the problem. From the following trial balance as on 31st March 2016 and information given thereof, Jalgaon Consumer Cooperative Society, the society is of Consumer Cooperative. Then Society Limited, Jalgaon prepared trading account and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016 and balance sheet as on that date. Okay, they are requiring us to prepare trading account, profit and loss account and बैलेंस शीट फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st मार्च 2016. अगर वो हमें बोलते भी नहीं तो वी शुड नो दिस थिंग्स कि हमारे पास कंज्यूमर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है तो हमें 3 अकाउंट पर्टिकुलरली कंपल्सरीली प्रिपेयर करने हैं, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड 1 बैलेंस शीट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टेटमेंट. 2 अकाउंट एंड 1 बैलेंस शीट. चलो लेट्स सी द प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑल अबाउट? Share capital, okay. Reserve fund, okay. Cooperative development fund, okay. Stock of goods on 1st April 2015, okay. This is opening stock. Then we have office furniture. Then we have price fluctuation fund. Then we have sundry creditors for purchase. Then we have sundry creditors to sales. Then we have debtors to sales. Then we have salaries. Then we have commission. Then commission payable, tax, rents and taxes, postage. Then we have traveling and conveyance. Then we have printing and stationery. Then we have calls in arrears. Then we have dividend पिछले साल का पेड है. Then we have audit fees, interest on investment. Then we have profit for the year 2014 and 15. Then we have equipment. Then we have admission fees. Then we have purchases. Then we have carriage and cartage. Then we have investment. Then sales. Then cash in hand. Then cash and bank. Okay, now closing stock of consumer good on 31st March 2016 was valued at cost 12,500 and market price 14,000. My dear students, when two amounts are given with respect to closing stock, always consider the smallest amount for closing stock because this is given by the standards, accounting standard, that cost per closing stock is always valued at cost price or market price, whichever is less. कॉस्ट प्राइस और मार्केट प्राइस दोनों में से जो लेस होती है वो अमाउंट हमें कंसिडर करना होता है क्लोजिंग स्टॉक के लिए. अभी यहाँ पर मार्केट प्राइस 14,000 है एंड कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 12,500. तो we'll consider this price because this is the smaller price. Clear to it? Okay. Then we have is outstanding expenses, rent and salary. Outstanding expenses is rent and salary. Rent. Then salaries, okay. Then we have is salary payable, prepaid amounted to, okay. salary पे 2 adjustment, okay. Then we have is interest accrued on investment. इंटरेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट पर है तो ये डिफरेंट एडजस्टमेंट है, ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव इज चार्ज 5% डेप्रिसिएशन ऑफ ऑफिस फर्नीचर. डेप्रिसिएशन है ऑफिस फर्नीचर पर, उस पर चार्जेस होंगे. कहाँ है ऑफिस फर्नीचर? ओके. देन वी हैव इज द सोसाइटी डिक्लेयर 10% डिविडेंड ऑन पेड अप कैपिटल. ये डिविडेंड पर एडजस्टमेंट है. देन वी हैव इज ट्रांसफर टू जनरल रिजर्व, दैट इज 25%. ऊपर पहले से जनरल रिजर्व है क्या देखेंगे, या फिर रिजर्व फंड. यस वी हैव. देन वी हैव कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन हो गया रिजर्व फंड. देन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू कोऑपरेटिव डेवलपमेंट फंड. Clear? Okay. Now we'll prepare the format for trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. In the books of Jalgaon Consumer Cooperative Society Limited, Jalgaon, trading account for the year ended 31st March 2015 16. Then we have is profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016 and balance sheet on the same date, that is 31st March 2016. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. चलो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के फॉर्मेट में है एक्सपेंसेस अमाउंट, इनकम अमाउंट. दिस इज द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट फॉर्मेट. बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट में क्या है? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st मार्च 2016. डेबिट साइड में है एक्सपेंसेस, क्रेडिट साइड में है इनकम्स. एक्सपेंस साइड में फर्स्ट है इंटरेस्ट, सेकंड है बैंक चार्जेस, थर्ड है सैलरीज एंड अलाउंसेस टू स्टाफ, फोर्थ है कंट्रीब्यूशन टू स्टाफ प्रोविडेंट फंड, फिफ्थ है सैलरीज एंड अलाउंसेस ऑफ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर. देन वी हैव इज attendance fees and traveling expenses of directors, traveling expenses of directors, then rent, rates and taxes. Then we have postage, telegram and telephone charges. Then we have as printing and stationery. Then we have audit fees, general expenses, bad debts or provision for bad debts. Then we have depreciation on fixed asset. Then we have land, income and equipment. Then we have other items एक्सेट्रा. क्रेडिट साइड में क्या है? इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड, डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड ऑन शेयर, कमीशन, मिसलेनियस इनकम. इन मिसलेनियस इनकम वी हैव शेयर ट्रांसफर फीस, रेंट, rebate in interest, sales of form, other forms. in that है admission fees and then land, income and expenditure. एंड यहाँ पर बाय प्रिंट होना भूल गए. देन वी हैव बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. क्लियर टू इट? ओके. देन वी हैव बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट. बैलेंस शीट के फॉर्मेट में लाइबिलिटी अमाउंट, अमाउंट, एसेट अमाउंट, अमाउंट. यहाँ पर भी आप इनर कॉलम बना सकते हो. देन लाइबिलिटी साइड में है शेयर कैपिटल. देन वी हैव रिजर्व फंड एंड अदर फंड्स. Then we have staff provident fund, secured loan, unsecured loan, deposits, current liabilities and provisions, unpaid dividend, interest accrued but due but not paid, other liabilities, profit and loss account and contingent liability. On the asset side we have cash and bank balance. Then we have investment of staff provident fund, loans and advances, sundry debtors, current asset. Then we have a fixed asset, then miscellaneous expenses and losses, other items, profit and loss account and current losses. क्लियर? ओके. चलो एक एक हम करके सॉल्व करेंगे. शेयर कैपिटल विल गो अंडर liability side. Share capital inner column issued and subscribed share capital, that is 10,000. Why inner column? Because we have calls in arrears. जब आएंगे we'll solve that part. Now reserve fund will again go to 1,500 under liability. Second heading reserve funds and other funds. Reserve funds inner column 1,500 क्योंकि उसमें हमें पिछले साल के प्रॉफिट का 25% ट्रांसफर करना है. देन वी हैव इज कंज्यूमर कोऑपरेटिव डेवलपमेंट फंड इज 500. कंज्यूमर कोऑपरेटिव डेवलपमेंट फंड विल मूव अंडर द हेड कंज्यूमर रिजर्व फंड एंड अदर फंड्स. इन दैट कंज्यूमर कोऑपरेटिव डेवलपमेंट फंड दैट इज 500. क्योंकि इनर कॉलम में क्योंकि उस पर एडजस्टमेंट है एज वी हैव मार्क्ड स्टार ओवर देयर. क्या एडजस्टमेंट है? ट्रांसफर 300 टू कंज्यूमर कोऑपरेटिव डेवलपमेंट फंड. तो चलो 300 इसको ट्रांसफ़र कर दो. $310. तो आउटर कॉलम में है 810. सेकेंड इफेक्ट इसका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में से लेस होगा. ट्रांसफर टू डेवलपमेंट फंड दैट इज 310. इसमें से 310 लेस करो प्रॉफिट में से. Then we have is stock of consumer good as on 1st April 2015 is 11,250. Stock of consumer good will be on the debit side of trading account. Stock of consumer good 11,250. Then we have is office furniture, that is 5,300. Office furniture is your asset. It will be moving under the asset side, that is other assets में fixed asset में office furniture 3,500. उस पर एडजस्टमेंट क्या है ऑफिस फर्नीचर पर? लेट्स सी. डेप्रिसिएट 5% ऑफ ऑफिस फर्नीचर. टू 5300 में से 5300 का 5% ले लो, लेस 5% दैट इज 10% इज 530 एंड 5% इज 2550. आउटर कॉलम है 3025 and the second effect of this is depreciation. This will move under profit and loss account के डेबिट साइड में depreciation on fixed asset, office furniture at the rate 5% that is 265. Then we have is office fund. Then we have price fluctuation fund. This will move again on the liability side. Fluctuation for reserve funds and other fund, price fluctuation, that is 800. Then we have is sundry creditors for purchase. Sundry creditors for purchase is the creditor, that is current liabilities and provisions. It will move under current liabilities and provisions. Sundry creditors for purchase, outer column 2000. Then we have is sundry 3000. Then we have sundry debtors for sales, that is 7500. This will be under the head debtors, that is sundry debtors 3000. Then we have is salaries will be under the head profit and loss account के डेबिट साइड में. salaries to salaries and allowances, inner column 7500. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट उसमें क्या है, एडजस्टमेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी ₹200. आउटस्टैंडिंग will always be added. First effect add. Second effect outstanding salary will be under the head current liabilities and provision. Outstanding salary 200. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव इज कमीशन 2700. दिस विल बी अंडर द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में अंडर सेपरेट हेडिंग अंडर अदर आइटम, दैट इज कमीशन 2700. देन वी हैव कमीशन पेएबल, that is 2600. Commission payable is your liability that will be moving under asset side में. commission payable that is current liabilities and provisions में other commission payable that is this much. then we have is commission payable के बाद है to rents and taxes, that is 1250. rents and taxes will again in the profit and loss account. rents and taxes 2600. एडजस्टमेंट क्या है, रेंट पेएबल दैट इज 100. 2600 प्लस 100 आउटर कॉलम में है 2700. सेकेंड इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस 100 विल मूव अंडर करंट लाइबिलिटीज एंड प्रोविजंस. आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट 100. ओके, क्लियर टू इट. ओके, then we have as postage, that is 200. postage will move under the head profit and loss account under the head postage and telegram and telephone charges, that is 1250. then we have is traveling and conveyance. traveling and conveyance is 200. again traveling and conveyance will move to the profit and loss account debit side. traveling and conveyance, that is 200. then we have is printing and stationery, that is 600. it will move under printing and stationery under head profit and loss account. printing and stationery, that is 400. then we have is calls in areas, that is 600. calls in areas will be less from share capital, that is inner column में पहला share capital था 10,000. उसमें से 600 लेस करो because this is calls in areas. and outer column the share capital amount is 6,400. then we have dividend paid, that is 400. dividend paid will be under the liability under the head unpaid dividend में dividend paid आएगा 4750. ये प्रोविजंस हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे. then we have audit fees, that is 400. audit fees will move under the head profit and audit fees under the scheduled profit and loss account. audit fees 400. clear to it. okay, then we'll have interest on investment, that is 1100. interest on investment, if it is given on debit side, that is our expenses, that will move under profit and loss account debit side. if interest on investment is given on the credit side, that is our income, that will be moving under profit and loss account credit side under the head interest received. अभी ये credit side है, मतलब ये हमारा income है, तो ये credit side में जाएगा. interest received कितना है 1100 और इसके ऊपर एडजस्टमेंट क्या है, इंटरेस्ट अक्यूड ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 200, outstanding interest will be added into it, outer column 1300, and second effect will go into asset side under the head other items, that is interest accrued on investment, that is 200. Clear to it? Okay, thank you all. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session with the remaining part of the problem.